have lethal. Hey, 40.
A taser was also deployed but was ineffective. Officers attempted to detain the man for more than 10 minutes and followed after him for more than a half mile, ordering him dozens of times to surrender and drop the knife. When the man started running in the direction of a nearby construction crew, an officer-involved shooting occurred.
Hey! We got him. He's going up to those guys up there. Shots fired. Charlie 4, shots fired.
The man was not struck by the gunfire and stopped before he reached the construction crew. However, because he was still armed with the knife and non-compliant, a taser was deployed again and was effective.
Taser. Get on your stomach. It's attached to Watch his hand. Roll over on your stomach. Roll on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Watch the knife. Let go of the knife. He's got a knife in there. We gotta get the knife in it. We're trying to get the knife off. Stop resisting, man. Hold steady.